Here, turn your hand this way and run your hands back and forth. Okay, he's got that behind both shoulders, so somewhere along the line he had something pretty pinchy in here, and it pushes and displaces the tissue, cuts off some circulation in that area, and it forms these adhesions in here. So we're going to assume that that was from his racing days when he was being trained, since he's had very little saddle time. That's very nice. You can lean toward me and go to sleep. Thank you. How convenient for me. Good boy. Good boy, Jack. Good boy, Jack. I'll move to him. Who's going to let him sit there for a second and breathe. Good boy, Jack.
Probably a good idea not to let him fall asleep.
Oh, Jack, good boy. You did so well. We've got one more of those, but I want you to breathe a little bit. How's he looking? Oh, there we go. Oh, until I moved, and your eyes got real big again.
Mm-hmm.
Good boy,
He's good about it, though, isn't he?
Good boy. Not too much. He's watching me, but he's not trying to move away, so that's a good sign.
That's a good sign. Yeah, I think he's good with it.
He's not trying to scoot his bottom over. Good boy. You ready for the last one on this side? You ready?
No, he said no.
Oh, we'll just talk a second. Good boy. Okay, we got this one right here. Good boy. Good boy. Well done. Oh, I see the face. Okay, I'm going to request somebody's help, so maybe I better get you while you're here.